Does your normal voiceover feel plain and out of place in your gaming or futuristic videos? Do not worry. In this CapCut tutorial for beginners, you will learn how to add a robot voice effect in CapCut Mobile to make your audio sound cool and futuristic. First, open your video project and tap on your voice recording clip on the timeline to select it. Now, scroll the bottom toolbar to the right and tap on Voice Effects. Inside the voice menu, select the Voice Characters tab and tap on the Robot Voice Effect. Drag the strength slider to the right to make your robotic sound effect clear and strong. Here is a secret pro tip for creative CapCut video editing. Tap on Speed, slow down your audio to 0.9, and turn on Change Audio Pitch. This gives your robot voice a deep, metallic sci-fi tone. Now, tap on the check mark and press play to listen to your futuristic robot voice. To continue learning from our full course, check the playlist link in the description below.